Listen, it's your boy Trapito back in the building. I know there's a lot of heat on me. They're coming for my neck, po. But you know what? Doesn't matter.
Mr. Trump, I have a question. Mr. Trump, Trump.
Yes, you're on the right. What do you need?
Hi. I'm here from Bossip. I have a question for you.
Great publication. They always show me love.
Thank you. We always like put slapping cheeks in our headlines.
I appreciate you.
We would like to know.
Love the alliteration.
Thank you. You asked the Ukrainian ambassador to look into Hunter Biden, and Joe Biden is crooked. What exactly are you accusing Joe Biden of doing?
Well, he was in Ukraine. That's very close to Russia. People accusing me of doing things with Russia. So if you're doing things with Russia, you're doing things with Ukraine because they're friends. And when you go out on a date and you have your partner and there's two single people, usually you try to hook them up to fuck. So that's what's going on here. I think Biden went over to Ukraine and overthrew the government, had sex with a parliamentary member. Is there anything else you would like to know? Oh, by the way, did you know Cardi B was a blood? Did you know that? She's a member of the 9 Trey Blood Gang.
I fail to see what that has to do with Hunter Biden.
It has everything to do with everything. Don't worry about me. Stop looking at me. Focus your attention. This is all a distraction tactic from the fake news media. Okay? Cardi B's a blood. Okay? Playboy Cardi. Why does he spell Cardi with an I? Why does he spell Playboy with an I? Did you ever think about that? Huh? You're always talking about open your third eye. Open your third eye. Huh? There's 2 eyes there. Where's the third? Where's the third? Huh? Think about it.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions? You on the left here.
And, are you going to continue to ask other organizations and nations to investigate the Bidens?
Absolutely.
What other countries are you going to ask?
Let me spin a glove here. Let me see. Botswana. I'm going to Botswana tomorrow to ask about Joe Biden's involvement in their civil war or whatever the fuck is going on over there.
Do you know where Botswana is located?
It's located right below Botswana. It makes perfect sense. Botswana, top, bottom. You understand? Also, I would like to give a shout out to the LGBT community. See, I'm inclusive. All you people on your mainstream media slandering me, smearing me. I love everybody. I love all the gays. I love all the blacks. I love all the Latinos. Okay? Latinxes. See, I'm woke now. I read Jeray's book. Sean King is black. That's it. I'm not taking any more questions. Get the fuck out of here. By the way, this is episode 173 of the most illustrious podcast in the world, the Bodega Boys podcast. Enjoy, you pieces of garbage. Use this art to distract from the fact that I'm destroying the government from the inside. Fuck you. I'm out. Peace. Stay at the Trump Castle. I'm building a moat with alligators. Suck my dick from the back. Do the fucking drop.
Episode 173rd, named after the infamous East 173rd.
Yeah.
Which I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'm sure there's a bodega, there's a church.
Yeah.
There's probably...
And it's definitely infamous.
It's infamous. Every Bronx block is infamous. To us,
you know what I'm saying?
I don't know about the rest of y'all. Y'all hating. Because you know why? Because y'all wake up in the morning and you take a breath, and you know what? You fill your lungs with anti-blackness.
That's right.
Okay?
Cowards.
This is the only non-anti-black podcast. And I say that.
That's absolute truth.
It's true.
It's absolutely true.
Because look, I'm black and Mero works with a black person. So how y'all feel? He's an ally. How y'all feel? All right? He's like the only Dominican that fucks with black people.
You know what I'm saying? I will not erase my blackness. Peace to my ancestors.
There we go.
You know what I'm saying? The diaspora.
Diaspora.
You know what I'm saying?
Diaspora sounds delicious.
Yeah, it sounds so good.
Like if you was on
like,
Smack at 2 a.m., he's like, yo, diaspora with cheese.
Shit, yo.
Shit.
Let me get a motherfucking chicken sandwich. Would you like diaspora spread on that?
Oh, shit. Yo, let me get the fucking diaspora and... Oh, let me get 3 intifadas.
Yeah. Yo, intifadas with cheese.
Oh, Yo, y'all got any more Egyptian summers left? Yo, this is lit, bro.
Yo, this shit is fire, cut. Yo,
our new restaurant, the UN Cafe. We're just renaming chopped cheeses and shit.
You walk in, and it's like the music. It's like Antifa.
Listen, time is coming for us to open a shitty restaurant.
It has to. Yeah,
Time is. Listen, people want it.
Listen.
People know we're not gonna like go to the length of like having like the top ingredients and shit because we're immigrants kids.
Yeah.
We are going to make a restaurant that is based on the food we grew up on. All right. So when you come in and you pay $18 for fucking sardines on top of saltines.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
3 saltines is all you get. And it's an entree. It's not an appetizer.
Listen to me. It's gonna be a slice of bread. It's gonna be a craft single, not craft, not an actual craft single, but I'm just using that terminology so the uninitiated understand. It's usually White Rose, Crasdale, Parade.
Talk that off-brand talk.
You know what I'm saying? That Parade shit.
Talk
you know
that lower bottom half of the.
You know what I'm saying? That Family Dollar shit. You know what I'm saying? Those slices.
That bread that go bad in 3 days.
In 3 days. You know what I'm saying? You better put that shit in the fridge immediately. Nigga. As soon as you get to the crib.
Bread is advertised like it's bread. What?
Yo, what's poppin'?
What do you want?
What?
Wait till you pay $25 for a flatbread pizza at our restaurant, and that shit is just a fucking English muffin with tomato sauce and cut up Vienna sausage.
Yo, you gonna be sick, boy. You be like, yo, this is a pizza. This ain't even mozzarella cheese.
Eat it though.
Yo, you didn't take the plastic off the single slit cheese.
Yo, who wants the fried hot dogs?
Yo.
You want the hot?
I'll take one.
Oh, okay.
Yo, you got the bologna? Yo, make sure you cut the middle though. Cut the middle so it don't bubble up.
Romantic meal, here y'all go. It's spaghetti with cut of Vienna sausages.
Ah, yeah, that's right,
go
baby.
ahead.
That's right.
Do
baby.
that Lady in the Tramp shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen.
Eating tuna out the can.
A lot of people don't realize that Vienna sausages have the same sexual effect as oysters.
That's true.
That's right.
They're an aphrodisiac.
It gets you,
super aphrodisiac.
It's not even an aphrodisiac. It's an aphrodisiac.
Yeah, because you about to blast them back.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You don't get nasty next time during sex. Pull a little cup out, pour it in her mouth.
Yeah. Take that.
You like that? Drink that meat water, mom.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Or drink that meat water pop.
Hey,
we're inclusive. We're inclusive.
You know what I mean?
Or drink that meat water them.
Or they.
Yeah,
you know
they. Yeah, they would probably be better.
Yeah. Drink that meat water, they.
Unless you're non-binary and Jamaican, then it's dem. Dem.
Yo.
Yes.
Dem I drink the
drink the meat.
Drink the meat dem. Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know.
And we're done. That's the whole podcast for today. I thank you for coming out. Give it up for Heaven in the House, Mero,
You know what I'm saying?
Hasan, That's the new future. The new future podcast should be 5 minutes long.
That's it. Micro podcast.
Wait, no, gotta need
Microcast?
It's microcast or
Micropods. Micropods sounds like some Apple adjacent shit.
Premature Epodulations.
Woo! Pow! Right. Hold that.
Thank you for coming through again. We are done.
Yeah.
We're done here for the day.
Peace.
There we go.
We got a game to go to.
Yeah, a short podcast like that.
Yeah.
I think that's the problem. It's like sex. If you give it to them for too long, too strong, they get used to it. Now you see it. Where's the new art? Yeah. If your podcast is 3 minutes and like you take a month off, they don't gonna complain about it.
Yeah, they're like,
you were gonna be like, oh, I forgot about that.
Oh, my fault. Yeah. Oh, you want a podcast now? Oh, okay. All right. Whatever. I'm gonna just lay here.
Listen, sometimes the sex is not about you.
Yeah, for real.
Sometimes it's like, all right, well, you know what?
Listen. I do rock, paper, scissors every time. I'm like, yo, who's this gonna be about this time?
Who's winning? Who's bringing the heat?
It depends. It depends on the night and the grape of the wine.
Give me that dick.
Yeah. Cabernet, blowing that pussy up.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? A red blend. I know a lot of y'all wine connoisseurs gonna be like, "Oh, you're drinking blends? Blends, boy?
Listen,
blends that have nothing like that. Boy got some meat."
Listen, catch me after a Yankee loss. Like I don't want to be bothered, but I mean, I go through the motions. I'll be like, all right, you killing them.
You're like, yo, you
want that?
You call the bullpen and shit. Like, yo,
I'm just stroking. I'm just like, why wouldn't he fucking bunt when he was on second?
God damn it!
Fucking, come on. You gotta call that the pitch number 73. You gotta call that a strike. What the fuck?
Well, god damn it!
Just stroking like fucking this bullpen. Can't even.
Then you turn into a manager yourself, and you're like, yo,
just come and take it out.
You take yourself out the game and
it's
shit.
My fucking game.
Yeah, no, you get it. You're out.
Get out.
Yeah, we're bringing in Hitachi out of the bullpen.
Should have just tapped you on the butt like, yo. Good effort. But you know what?
Thank you.
Hit the showers.
Give me the condom.
Hit the showers.
She just hits the condom in your mitt.
Now pitching the vibrator. Like, oh wow.
Hitachi magic wand.
I was like,
They paid $20 million just to talk to him out of Japan. It's wild.
Hitachi.
Shout out to Hitachi magic wands. I don't even know how they work, but they just like furiously vibrate on your clitoris.
Yeah, they're like high school kids.
Okay.
Yeah.
Respect.
Think about when you was in pussy in high school.
Oh yeah, you were going super hard, and Shorty was just like,
it was like you was doing a Busta Rhymes verse.
Yeah.
Every time I see
every time I want to eat the choach and I get to eat the choach and I eat the choach like I'm a roach.
Right.
I'm like, yo, what the fuck, bro?
Like, why is there smoke coming from you? Why is there smoke coming from your clit?
It's like melted pubes on your face and shit. Like,
so walk in the room. Who's cooking hot dogs?
Yeah, what's going on in here?
Oh my god!
Who spilled the fucking spaghetti sauce? What's going on? You cooking bacon?
Oh my god! High school sex. I remember during high school, to be romantic, I went to the Pink Pussycat, which is the number one sex toy store in New York that we all know about if you're from the hood.
Shout out to my girl Odie. She worked there for a strong little time.
Get off at the first time you get off the one train at Christopher Street, you're like, yo, New York is different.
Whoa.
And you're like, all right, I fuck with it. So I went down there and they had like, yo, we got like, it was like flavored oils and shit. Oh. So I was like, all right, we'll take this. Okay. We'll take this. Right. Went back to Tilden Towers in the Bronx. Yeah, you know what it is. Yeah. So I was like, yo, Shawty, I got something for you. And she's like, what? And I was like, I poured it on her chest. And she's like, oh my God, it smells like strawberries. Oh my God. Oh my God, it burns. Oh my God. Go into the shower and she had like the wild like she had a wild chemical burn on her chest from the
was the lube completely written in the foreign language?
It wasn't lube, it was just like fucking, it was just for
the massage oil.
Yeah. So I would say your name now, but you have like 4 kids and a husband, so I don't want to make this shit hot. But you all learn, you know, God's working on all of us. Even our dick game.
Yeah, listen, it's true, man. It's true. You gotta work on your pishkadil. You gotta do kind of push-ups.
Work on your pishkadil. Work on your choach.
You gotta please your partner.
Please your partner.
You know what I'm saying?
That's the key.
The key to longevity.
All right. The lock said money, power, success is the key to life.
That's right.
Please your partner.
Please your partner.
Unless you don't have a partner, and then
money,
please
power,
yourself.
Please just,
You know what I'm saying?
I see. Now I feel like we're gonna make a right turn into Pino Town soon.
No, we're gonna do this whole podcast. We're not doing Pino. Okay. We're not mentioning eating ass.
Okay.
What else we're not mentioning? We're not mentioning what do we mention every week? We're not mentioning any gorilla dicks.
No.
We're not mentioning. We're not mentioning baby gorilla dicks. They got small dicks.
They got small dicks.
Oh yeah. That's it.
All right.
Other stuff, if you bring it up, I'll tell you no. I'll stop it right away. No, 173 episodes. We talk about Pino every fucking episode. Enough is enough.
I feel like it's been the last 20.
No, every episode. Like randomly, episode 22 came on, and it's like, oh, you know, when we be beating your meat to Pino, it's like. Like, people don't need to know that we're famous. Like, you never hear Trevor Noah. You never hear Hasan Minaj talking
Hasan Minaj be like, hey, I like sex. Do you like sex? You like sex, right? Mike, you like sex, right? Sex is cool. Sex is awesome. But sometimes you got to have sex by yourself. All right? Masturbation. That's where masturbation comes in.
We have dinner with him.
Masturbate.
We have dinner with him on Sunday.
No doubt. I'll see you there, pal.
Okay. I hope he's aware of your little impression of him.
Yo, he asked me the weirdest question ever in life. I meet this guy for the first time ever. Mm-hmm. We're sitting at dinner. He looks at me, he goes, you have a kid? I said, no, I got 4 kids. He said, you have 4 kids? Like it was like I said, like I had 6 dicks.
It's a lot of kids.
And he's like, what are you, Catholic? And I was like, what? I was like, what does that even mean? I was like, what does that mean? To be fair, I was like, I haven't been in church in 28,000 years. I was like, what does that mean? I was
going to say, to be fair, who has 4 kids? But then I was like, BX there.
You know what I'm saying? Mad people.
It's like, have kids or unprotected sex. No, it's have cable or unprotected sex. There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You know what it is. It gets a little warm and shit.
Yo, shut the side, though.
You be in the house, just dropping that daco.
Dropping that deal.
Does this count as porn talk?
Not really.
This is Bronx talk.
Yeah,
this is Bronx niggas talk about.
Yeah.
Listen, you got a drink.
Summertime.
You got a drink. You got gold chains, and we talking about like fucking people. That's what would happen if we were still in the Bronx. We'd be in the bodega right now.
You see it
right now.
Plastic cup. You don't know what the fuck the contents are. It just looks vaguely alcoholic.
Like if we didn't have a podcast and we didn't have all this success, oh my god, we'd be like street harassing women and shit right now.
It'd be terrible.
Terrible. We'd be a mess.
My sister would be
And we would even be like the good street harassers who like possibly like if the girl was interested, she could be like, oh, take my number. It's just like clearly we're involved in shit. We just want to like ruin your day.
Yeah. Yo, shorty with the fat ass.
Yo, ma, you got the good ankles. What's up?
Yo, that mustache is looking right,
That's
ma.
right.
You know what I'm saying? You dotted blind.
A mustache ride. Yeah.
Ooh, shit is lit.
Your shorty got books. Yo, you literate?
Yo, word?
Oh shit.
Yo, you got books and shit. That means you a notary public. Yo, you could sign my document.
Yo, shorty used to wear glasses and she don't got glasses no more. Come over here, you sexy Lasix.
Yo, let's have some latex. Ha. You feel me?
Oh, let's have
Latex.
What is Lasix? Is that just sex on your side?
You laying
on the side?
Spooning. Fast forward to spooning.
Remember spooning in Oz?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that problematic light is here. We need to release a problematic light, and then people could use it when they're fighting, and like when you're like arguing and shit.
Yeah.
If someone goes too far, like,
You be like, hey, pal. I know I cut you off. That's no reason for you to call me the F word.
or like you're arguing with like your wife or some shit. You're just like, she's like, oh, you know, he's like, oh, you never take the garbage out. He's like,
Why you such a? You know what?
that's why your mother's ugly. You're like, wow. They're only allowed to say that once. They only have to say it once because you always remember it. You got to bring that up. Like, yo, remember when you said that?
Remember you said my mom was ugly?
Mm-hmm.
Remember that?
Remember that?
Yeah.
It's forever changed the relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you just gotta guilt her into. Is that gaslighting? If you like, if you're like mom is in like hospice care and like you just like remember that time you said she was ugly?
Yeah, that's gaslighting. That's actually not gaslighting. That's called gasoline canning. That means you are pouring gas on someone and lighting them on fire. It's a whole different type of abuse.
It's like turbo gaslighting.
You said gaslighting. We're gonna open a restaurant called Gaslight, and like every time they just keep coming back to the table, and they be like, "Are you ready to order?" And you be like, "I ordered already." And they're like, "Okay, I'll be right back with your order."
Oh, sorry.
And they just do that to you for an hour.
For an hour,
just ring the bill. But no one complains, so everyone just pays and leaves. They don't make a scene. We could get away with that in Williamsburg.
Yo, we will crush it. We do the restaurant, and then right next door we do like a loungy type of joint called Virtue Signaling.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? Allies only. Allies only. You got to show like a allied tweet, like, yo, listen.
To get in, you have to show a picture of you with a person of color.
Yes.
Or an LGBTQ.
Yes.
No. You have to show a picture with an LBGTQ person of color.
Yeah. Boom. No, if you do both, you get a VIP. If you do either or, you get regular admission.
So you can give VIP to the LGBTQ POC?
Yeah.
Ooh, nigga, we running out of letters.
It's like that fucking when you buy like the little sticker letters to make a sign or whatever, and you're like, damn, I need 5 A's. It's only 4.
I need 5 A's in the club.
Hurry up. Yo, I think Michael's is in cahoots with the LGBT community because they keep adding letters. So then they sell letters at Michael's arts and craft stores. Problematic light, please. Thank you.
That's so brilliant. I don't know if that's bullshit or genius.
You know what I'm saying? Imagine some guy at Michael's being like, yo.
Low key woke Jesus is an outrage that you would even say that.
Yeah.
But, you know, way at the bottom, Hotep Jesus trying to dig his way out.
Yeah, like,
He's like, He's like, that nigga right.
It's the gay agenda, brother.
It's like, gay agenda. Fuck that. Hotep Jesus be eating in cafeteria tight.
I want to
see. Why would you go? He's like, why is all these gay people here? I was like, why would you go to the cafeteria? Like, what do you think is happening here?
Why? Oh, you want to watch the Giants game at Boxers?
Listen.
And be like, yo, why is mad gay people out here?
No boxer slander. They have a great happy hour. Hold on to your playing card. You know what I'm saying? Back in there.
Shout out to my Boxers patrons. You know what I'm saying? Great bar.
Boxers.
Mad screens.
I thought Boxers was like you go in there and fight niggas. I thought it was like
it could be.
It was like it could be. I mean, we're from the Bronx. Low key, any bar could be a slap nigga bar.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Yo, speaking of that, remember the fucking BBQ's fight? What was it like the lower, like the one on West 4th or some shit like that, where it was like, yo, this is a hate crime, but it ended up being like
two gay guys,
two gay dudes, and it was like it was just like a messy love and hip hop situation.
BBQ on 23rd.
That was wild.
That was wild. He bonged the shit out of him.
Yo, I was
He
like,
got time for that too.
oh, word?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
shit. At least he didn't get the hate crime time. That hate crime time would have been whew.
I mean, any time is pretty terrible.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. And yet, for some reason, Mero continues to have his birthday at BBQs.
Yeah, baby.
Okay. So he successfully got out the Bronx, only to return to the Bronx to have his birthday at a restaurant. And I say this because I know the statute of limitations is up. A restaurant I have carried a gun to. Okay? Me, myself, personally, I like going to like 5-star restaurants, you know? Restaurants that are like Michelin rated.
BBQ does have 5 stars.
No, it got 5 police stars. That's what the fuck it got. All
You got
right?
5 stars
When you
in
get the
GTA.
5-star cheating, you in GTA.
Yo.
Got helicopters out there.
Yo.
It's the only place where when you try to make a reservation, they lie and they run your name to see if you've got warrants. They're like, yeah, Mr. Martinez, yeah, we got a table for 6. Yeah, come right in.
Table for 6? Oh, you have 5 people here? Oh, I'm sorry.
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
You can't sit down till everybody's here.
Yeah,
I'm
they
like,
do
wow.
that.
I'm like, why
and
you
then
gotta do
Mero was
that?
like, yo, I got 32 people coming. And they're like, well, when all 32 people are outside, come inside.
I was like, 5 of them are smoking weed
BBQ's
outside.
the only restaurant that just happens to have a table with 32 table settings just chilling. They're like, it'd be 5 minutes. I'm like, what the fuck? I was like, how you got this?
We're doing the red wedding in the Bronx Bay Plaza.
Okay. But I want to give a big shout out and applause to Crown Shy on 70 Pine Street in New York, New York. Mm-hmm. Beautiful restaurant. Their Bodega Hive.
Gang.
And I say this because when I went to eat there the other night, the head chef came over, said the brand is strong, and they gave me a lot of free entrees and a lot of free appetizers. And then the staff was looking at me like, get the fuck out of here. We want to go home. But good times. Good food. Check them out. They're located close enough to Ground Zero that it's not creepy.
Oh,
Important.
yeah.
Important. You can respectfully be like, yo, shit happened, but you don't want to think about it all the time.
Yeah,
You
like,
need that.
like,
you need that. As a New Yorker. You get too close to Ground Zero, you just hear like, in New York. You're like, oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Straight up.
Why'd they build the Oculus? Why didn't they just rebuild the World Trade Center?
That's what I thought. I was like, why don't you just put it right back exactly
the
how it
same.
was and be like, fuck you. We just
Yeah.
built another one, stupid.
Yeah.
And then, but nah, they wanted to build like a giant fucking obelisk dick with a laser on top.
Shame.
It's Trump shit, man. You know what I'm saying?
I don't think.
I don't respect those towers, B.
It's a fraud.
All right, there's like one tower, but also I don't-
Freedom Tower.
I don't think Trump had anything to do. I'm also calling it a Freedom Tower, like low key. Hey, Uncle Victor. Hey! Oh. If this was Full House, you'd be Bob Saget. Victor is Uncle Jesse because it's super sexy. And I guess I'm
Uncle Joey?
I'm Uncle Joey. Clearly the molester. They hit the problem back right. But
He's like, hey, I'm Mr. Fun Fun. That's one of my characters.
cut it out and close that door. All right. That's not funny.
Open your butt.
That's the joke that gets us canceled. They're eventually gonna find a joke and cancel us, and I'm gonna be like, you know what? Yeah, we're canceled, but that was even our worst joke. Suck my dick from the back.
You mad? Store a bottle.
And then you're gonna hear like, hi, my name is Mr. Netflix. Would you and Mero like 40 million each? I'm like, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Who's the first oppressed group we're gonna go against in our Netflix special?
Shit.
Black women, but light-skinned black women that don't have 4C curls and have low blood sugar and are nearsighted.
Boom.
What you looking at, Queen? And the crowd's like, woo!
Woo! Yes.
Tell her.
Talk to him.
It's 20 minutes of that.
Yeah. Straight up.
Okay.
We hand out reading glasses and shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Where's all my women that's 2020? I was like,
Nah, you blind bitch. Like, yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck is going on here?
That's literally the name of our special. Not her, that you blind bitch. They're like, why would you film this at Spelman? Why would they allow this to be filmed? I'm like, give it up for Solange. She's like, I'm not performing.
I'm not.
Like, you've been insulting black women for like 20 minutes.
I literally was just trying to find the parking lot. Like, I just walked past here. I should have any school, but then we take it to Sarah Lawrence, and they're like,
Love it.
brilliant.
Love it.
Brilliant.
Love it.
Brilliant.
Why Mero great when he needs to be great? Shout out to every black person at a dinner party who has to hear that in the background.
Oh my God.
You know what life you chose.
Yo.
You know what it is.
Listen, I feel for you. I've been in situations where
Heaven's
motherfuckers
face
talk
right
about
now. tells
Heaven
you everything
knows.
you need to know.
Heaven knows.
Look at that. Look at that. She's doing the SpongeBob meme right now. The one where he's running out the door. She's
You know
like,
how
I
many
can't be
dinners
seen
there's
here.
been? And people were just like, I'm inviting Heaven. People were like, oh my God. Oh my God, Heaven's gonna be there? Heaven walks in, everyone's at the table like, yeah, oh my God. Oh my God.
she's here. Oh my God. Okay. And they start Googling facts and shit like, okay.
Oh, she knows Hillary Clinton.
What was that like? What about the emails though?
You just put a sticker on your laptop that says, what about the emails?
I once went to this was the whitest shit ever. I went to a dinner party. Now watch, I'm gonna compound the whiteness.
Okay.
West 8th Street.
Whew. You started off strong.
In the background was playing Dave Matthews.
Oh my God. Crash.
The table we were eating at was $12,000 because it was from a Japanese designer. And the lady that owned the apartment didn't have to work. Wait. Because her great grandfather took out life insurance against the Titanic. And they've been rich ever since. Nigga, listen, life is different. Imagine
they took insurance on the
grandfather
Titanic.
was like, nah, that shit gonna sink. And now you go for life? I was like, wait, because my great grandfather was a hater for sure too. But we ain't rich.
We're not rich.
He was in Jamaica like, yeah, that Aki's, that is ripe. It's ripe.
It's right. Yeah,
Nigga died like, oh, see.
Was it right?
That's not right. Fuck. See, I don't even know like history. So in my head, I'm like, oh, my great grandfather was probably hunting shit in Jamaica. No, my great grandfather was probably like having sex with women in sandals.
Niggas like Club Men tearing that pussy up, boy.
It's like,
With a shirt over shit with the locks, like, yo.
yes, Sarah from Carbondale, I love you.
Yo, Suan. Iowa's so boring.
Buy me a ticket on Pan Am. I'm like, what? Great granddad, what are you doing?
Yo, shout out to all my visa hunters out there.
Listen, but then you stop and think, like everything they did, they had to do for you to be here right now.
Yeah.
All that. So go tell your father all the cheating or whatever he did. Like your mother can't be mad.
Yo, but you're over here. You know what I'm saying?
Your mother be like, shut up.
My pops was like, yo, Nick, yo. Never talk. I was like, word, I feel you, pops. It's the Western way.
My father was like, I created you. I was like, yeah, we know.
Okay.
I was like, but let's keep it funky. Like, I mean, like, how many Desuses did you really make? You know what I'm saying? I don't have like a brother with a competing podcast. You know? Like,
Imagine.
like, relax.
Yo, imagine like suss it.
You know,
Like, yo.
like, so me choosing to wall out as a teen. It has to be stories. Otherwise, this is like a biblical podcast.
Okay, guys.
I know why I be here.
Did you?
We're recording this shit in like some cathedral and shit. I'm like, everybody, please turn to Matthew 14:32. We're going to talk about how Jesus died on the torture stake for you. A lot of people believe that he died for your sins.
Remember how you had we actually remember we had to tape at Pro Media one time, and a biblical act was following us, and you had that dude holding the Bible with the wild anime sweats on his forehead because he was like, I was like, it's not live, don't worry.
Listen,
You don't have to follow that.
listen, you don't know the Jesus mega church is coming. If y'all will go to church with Kanye, y'all definitely come to church with me. First of all, my church is not at 9 a.m. That's ridiculous. My church is like at 3 p.m.
How do we feel about the makeup of this crowd? I've seen a lot of photos. A lot of
Well, most Kanye fans right now,
Jacobians.
most Kanye fans right now, like 26-year-old
a
white
lot of
boys.
Tylers.
Like,
Yeah, mad Tylers.
Yeah, they're MAGA adjacent. You know that.
Yeah.
They're so dumb. Like they'll argue with you about Kanye, not realizing like we were listening to Kanye when Kanye was rapping about working at the Gap.
Yeah.
Yo, little.
You don't remember the Louis Vuitton Don?
I became a fan during Life of Pablo. If you listen to Yachty, you're not a real Kanye fan.
You're not.
You're not. That was a mess.
How dare you?
Speak on
Listen,
it.
he's kind of Louis Vuitton Don. He bought his mom a purse. Now she's Louis Vuitton mom. You know what I'm saying? That was a bar.
That was a bar.
I was like, it really wasn't, but I was just like, God damn. I was like, okay.
Okay.
Yo.
White colored Benz. I push Miracle
Whips.
Come on.
Oh, whoa, damn.
So basically, what we're saying is we're big fans of Rhyme Fest. How y'all niggas feel? Anyway, shout out to Phoebe Dawson. Does anyone remember Phoebe Dawson?
Phoebe Dawson, yeah.
She just married
The guy from Sum 41. Was that somebody else?
no, it was a not Machine Gun Kelly, right?
Machine Gun Kelly?
No, she was married to Yellow Wolf.
Wow.
No, she officially married Yellow Wolf.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah, so shout out to her.
Wow. She married a Yellow Wolf. I wish.
Yellow.
Yeah, no, I'll never.
Yellow
I will.
Wolf is a dancehall artist, I'm sure. Very problematic song. Very problematic song. She has some song about like only hoes get periods,
Oh my god.
but the shit slaps. All right, and we're all in the dance hall. I'm like, you know what they're saying? They're like, I don't give a care.
Yeah, I can't.
Only hoes be red. I'm like, oh,
No, I can't hear it over the rhythm.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, holy shit! Wow, what a fucking disaster couple. I hope they're happy.
they probably are happy. That sounds like a happy couple.
When
Like,
you're
what-
washed, yeah, I feel like
Who
when
do you
you're
think is
washed.
happier, Phoebe Dawson and Yellow Wolf, or Travis Scott and what's his name?
They broke up.
They broke
Did
up.
you know that?
They
They
broke
split,
up.
yeah.
Yeah. But you know who
And
didn't
then-
break up?
Who?
The new power couple, the greatest couple, the greatest example of black love there is in entertainment tonight. Skepta and Adele.
Oh wow!
Man, where's my peas, bro?
Yeah, where's my piece, bro?
He come in, he's like, where's my peas, bro?
Yo,
Where's my peas, Adele?
yo, she be hitting them high notes and
She be
shit.
hitting them high notes.
Oh boy.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, God.
That pussy got shut down.
Shut down,
Right?
Yo. Oh shit!
If you're an interracial,
ring, pussy, it's Skepta on the phone.
if you are an interracial couple, that is a great Halloween costume.
Yeah,
that's
be
right.
Skepta and-
Skepta and Adele.
But it depends on who's who.
True.
Don't fuck up.
Don't
Don't fuck
it.
up.
Don't reverse it.
Don't fuck
I
up.
love some blackface.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't go that way.
Don't do it.
Don't go that
Justin
way.
Trudeau was hyped for a second.
He was like,
He's
oh.
like, what? I'm gonna do it. He's like, I was gonna be YG, but fuck it, this is way better.
Oh shit. Damn. A lot of y'all gonna be corny. You gotta be Nipsey Hussle and what's her name?
Laura London.
Yeah.
I
Nobody
already
wanna see
know.
that.
Yeah.
No, don't do that.
So you're gonna braid your hair and then wear flannel?
Yeah.
That's what you're gonna do? Okay, cool. Very creative.
I like a lazy Halloween costume though.
like it.
Cause sometimes like someone comes in with like the extra shit and they got like folding arms and you be like, come on, bro.
You're doing a lot.
Bro, I painted my face like
Or
Dead
like
Predators.
team costumes where it's like
Yeah.
two people like in a horse or some shit. I'm like, yo, fam.
Yeah.
Like, what
You
if
like,
we gotta
oh,
go
wow,
to
y'all
Dublin?
relationship that strong? Oh wow. Wow, fuck you.
Yeah, I don't like it.
What am I doing as this year? I'm going as Mesothelion.
Mesothelioma?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. No, I'm going as
Let's be Celino and Barnes.
Selena Barnes, Injury Attorneys. You don't ever want to go as a costume you have to keep explaining and shit.
People are like, who are you? And
Who
we're
are
like,
you?
Celino and Barnes.
I'm the third lawyer from the law firm in Secession.
Yeah.
Like I was in
hello.
episode 4.
Hey.
Hi.
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 And there's always like the one nerd that like he's like, oh my god, you killed that. Can I take a picture?
Thank you.
Do you
bro.
mind? Do
Thank
you mind? Hold on, let me turn my
Instagram
flash
changed it now because now you gotta compete with other people, and there's people who got too much free time and too much creativity, and they be doing too much. He's like,
Oh
all
my
right,
God, stop.
all right.
on. TikTok, bro.
I was like,
That's
oh
all I gotta
wow,
say.
you're a professional graphic designer. Wow,
Thank
okay.
you.
Your
thank
costume
you.
is great.
Great.
Okay,
Awesome. Yeah. Great.
all right.
Oh wow, you dressed as a Gundam wing thing for Comic Con.
Okay,
Super proud of you.
okay. I put on glasses.
You wasted an entire twin mattress.
I put on glasses. I'm Tyler Perry. Lazy.
I just wear like the wild big ass shawl and some glasses. I'll be like, I'm Lee Daniels. Holding money with like Damon Dash's face on it.
Oh shit.
Yo, he might slap me for saying this, but yo, Lee Daniels looks like the black Mr. Satan from Dragon Ball Z. Look that shit up. He really does.
Deep cut right there.
Yeah.
Deep cut.
Oh shit! It's National Taco Day.
Oh no!
Not Taco Tuesday.
I was about to say.
Shout out to LeBron. He's been getting away with doing that voice. Like nobody was like.
Nobody's checking him. He's like the Jordan of our era.
He's like,
imagine
it's
if
Taco Tuesday.
and people are like, yo, let him rock.
Like
I don't know.
What other culture could you do that for? You can't be like.
Fucking
It's Jewish Wednesday. Oi, oi, oi. That's not working. That's not working.
It's Muslim Monday. Yeah, like,
You know what?
whoa.
I'm hitting the problem right now. I'm hitting the problem
Like, yo, my man, like, what are you doing over here?
It's Puerto Rican Friday. Mira.
Hey, mira, papi.
Mira.
Wepa.
It's Dominican Sundays. Hey, secret family.
Hey, dímelo, secret family. How you doing, papi?
It's Jamaican Wednesdays. Everything's gay.
Bun to get people. Bun them. Yo, can we start like a? We gotta go back to our home countries and be like. Actually, no, that's stupid.
Oh no,
It's not gonna
I'm
make us
way
any
ahead of
money.
you. No, when I retire, like when we're done with entertainment, we make mad money. I'm going back
just
to
be like
Jamaica.
activists and
I'm gonna
shit?
do straight MAGA shit.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
I was gonna go the other way and be like
no.
ultra supreme woke guy.
No, I'm gonna make Jamaica like mad, like hardcore straight. It's gonna be like North Korea.
I'm going back to DR.
Still
I'm
gonna allow
gonna,
white people there though.
I'm gonna go to DR. And I'm gonna unite DR and Haiti, and then like do a coup.
That's
where we
good.
take
'cause
over the
we're going
United
to war.
States.
We're going to war with you guys then.
Oh, right?
I'd be like, you see them Haitians, Dominicans living in peace. Disgusting. Bun them.
Yeah.
They're like, he's not even from here. I was like, as a true born Jamaican, they're like, I'd be like, the Gleaners, false news. False news. False news.
Them are mad.
Them a bleach. They're like, why did you move your headquarters to Sandals? I was like, because I'm nude.
Niggas doing like a State of the Union from the Hedonism cruise. Just like a wild fat old white lady in the back, like
Everyone
with,
behind me is pixelated.
yo, we have Sue Beth from Idaho in the building, y'all. We can give it up for Sue Beth.
Just wanted to show my titties in the sunshine. Oh, wow. She's a potato farmer.
They're hanging over the deck.
Like, yeah, I usually wear dicky shirts so my nipples are chafed.
Oh my god.
No, listen, I apologize. All my women with thick nipples. Y'all sexy to me.
Hell yeah. I fuck with some thick nipples. I don't like little nipples.
You don't like little
I
nipples?
hate little nipples.
I'm not, you know what? Like, I'm not, listen, I'm not, what I'm about to say is not pandering. I don't have a type.
You don't have a type
Like, I'm
of
never
nipple?
like, yo, I like this over this. Like, what your body is, ma. Like, I
Okay.
can't, I'm
respect
just
it.
happy to be here.
Yeah,
I'm just happy to ride Astroworld.
Yeah, no.
Like, I'm not like, yo, get your big nipples out of here. Like, who am I to
Yeah,
say
no.
that?
I would never say. I'm not on that Seinfeld tip where it's
Yeah.
just like I'm dumping you because you have little nipples. But I'm just like kind of like, oh man,
Really?
like damn, I wish I had bigger nipples. I'd be lit.
I love
but
them.
I would never say like
Nigga, I love a nipple.
I don't accept your nipples. Your nipples are an atrocity.
Everybody knows there's only one thing a woman can do to make me not fuck with them.
What's that?
Scuffed white boots. Y'all know it. I said it before. I can't get past it. I'm sorry. It's my one thing.
It's gonna be the new trend and shit. Scuffed ass white Chelsea boots.
I'm getting nervous because like I'm seeing people like those dirty Air Force Ones.
Distressed.
It's about to be winter. If I
Yeah.
see y'all out here in dirty white boots, I might fight you on the train.
Yo, if your Uggs are leaning, it might be time to. It might be time. To
You know, that's how I know I'm still a hood nigga. I love a girl in some dirty Uggs.
like but leaning though.
Leaning.
slumped.
You know what? Look, let me take it next level. Where they got the wet mark on it.
Oh
Yeah.
Oh, I did that a couple
you know
times.
What that is.
I did that a couple times. Yeah.
Just, you know, she stuffs her foot and they go.
Oh,
That's right.
Yo, you got to put them shits in another room.
Only time she wears them is to the bodega to get a what? Dutch.
A Dutch.
Okay. Does she go to the bodega to get a condom? No.
No.
Okay. Does that stop me?
No. But I'm like, yo, Mike, you gotta put them Uggs in another room,
right.
yo, because it already smell like
stink, mom.
Yo, this shit already smell like.
Put them shits in the hallway. She's like, someone's gonna steal them. I'm like, no one's going to steal them.
I trust me. Okay, I promise you.
That's that
shit
moment.
looks like what
That's
John
that moment
Williams
you're
had.
like, damn, I really came into the projects during a snowstorm. Where's my life? All right, y'all know what I'm talking about. Go see Shorty in the neighborhood so dangerous you gotta put your AirPods away. Yeah, you can't risk it.
Yeah, you take them shits off as soon as you get off the train. Like, yo, fuck it. I don't care if she calls me.
You put Google Maps on like text only. Like, all right, I turn here. All right, niggas ain't gonna hear that shit. Cause listen,
Make a left on Nostrand.
walk past a group of niggas at a bodega and let them hear.
And do
Please turn left at 300 yards. You reach your destination. They're like, oh, someone food. This nigga food.
And you just looking at your shit like, oh, okay. Oh, go right over there. Okay,
Yo, come here, food. They just come over like, give me just give it up.
Yeah,
just give it up.
I know.
Just give it up.
Yeah, I know.
Chains and everything.
Okay,
You
I
know
had,
what it is.
yeah, I had Google Maps online. I'm sorry.
Nigga, you know what? Y'all kids are spoiled. Y'all got Google Maps. Y'all never printed out a map quest to go see a girl.
Never.
All right.
You never turn by turn directions on a dot matrix printer?
You and your boy ever went from the Bronx to pink houses?
What?
Okay. Your man just out there in the north face of the birder, sitting on her living room couch, like, yo, when you ready, let me know. I'm like, yo, you got like food, my boy's hungry.
She's like, yeah, I got some, like, I don't know.
Let him, like, he's just watching TV with her grandma and shit. This is a true story. He shot at the Vaughn.
Yeah.
We've lived lives. Oh, shit. Lena Horne died.
What?
Yeah.
For real?
Yes.
Usually when you say that, you're like, nah, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, she died, nigga. In 2010. Keep up, nigga. This nigga don't know nothing.
Newsflash! Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I turned my Lena Horne Google alerts off. I fucked up.
No, we need Google alerts for every major black celebrity, so you know.
That's true.
Because we all know the best way to honor the death of a black celebrity is to be the first person to tweet about their death.
Yo.
There you go.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
With,
You don't be like,
unsubstantiated, but like, yo.
I like when like the person's been dead for like 5 hours and someone comes on Twitter like, yo, Lena Horne died?
What?
That's crazy.
That's yo.
Like,
how she died? And then
like,
people start breaking it down like mad step by step and like mad disrespectfully. Like, yo, that dog food, nigga. Like, yo, what? Yo, shorty had the germ. Like, yo, what? Why? Yo, let the news come out first, B. Shit. Yo, I got a video.
Wow.
Yo, I got a video. I got a video of shorty in hospice care, nigga. Shit is real. It'd be like an orderly and shit to the fucking like, yo, no.
Mero.
You getting fired, Ramon.
Said Ramon. Let Ramon cook.
All right, Ramon, I'm gonna let you live.
Oh,
Get your money.
you know what I've started enjoying, and I think the rest of the Bodega Hive. I was like, what would the Bodega Hive like? What would help enrich the Bodega Hive's lives, education levels, mental stability? Should we do a book club? And I was like, that's a great idea. Everyone loves reading.
That's right.
And we should do a book club. And then I watched 90 Day Fiancé. And you know what? I think we're just going to watch the 90 Day Fiancé as a hive because it's a great show.
Beautiful
just getting
show.
caught up on it.
Dope show.
Apparently, everyone on it. Have you watched it?
Yes.
Everyone on it is stupid.
It's an absolutely ridiculous show, full of like Kate Gosselin type white women and very astute West Indian men.
It makes me understand why. It makes me understand why credit card scamming still works. There's a lot of stupid people out there.
Come on,
Are they stupid or are they just trustworthy?
I think they're naive.
Naive.
I feel like when they go to the resorts, they are immediately spotted as a mark. You know what I'm saying? Like fucking Julio or Trevor, you know, depending on what island you decide to visit, is gonna be like, yo, Sue Beth. Sue Beth over here on a girls trip. Everybody else getting action except for her. She's sitting by the bar dolo. I'm just go over there, chat her up. You know what I'm saying? Be like, hey, Sue Beth, how you doing? You know, your friend, they dancing. Why you not dancing, mommy? well, I just, Nebraska, I don't really dance like that. And, we don't have that kind of music over back home. So I'm just like, I don't really know what to do. I don't want to look stupid.
Excuse. How you feel? Hello. My name is Big Black Dick.
Oh, hi.
I want to marry you.
Oh, you want to marry?
Yes.
That's amazing. Do you have a big, is your name just Big Black Dick, or is that like indicative of the actual size of your dick?
I have a big black dick, but I cannot take it out until we move in together in America.
Well, shucks, you got me now. You put me between a rock and a hard cock.
The reason for them not getting married be so stupid. It's like, she had 5 suitcases. I never said I'd agree to marry with 5 suitcases.
His mother came to our house and washed her hands with cold water. I've never been so insulted in my life.
Show her crying in the corner.
Yeah, like,
if his mother's gonna wash her hands in cold water, I don't think this could work out in the musical dramatic.
They pan over to the mother. She's like, what happened?
We are gonna do the New York equivalent, but instead of 90 Day Fiance, it's going to be, and you know what? If you listen to this and you're a New Yorker, you know I am not lying, so don't judge me as a scumbag. Mm-hmm. It's called 90 Days Left on My Lease Fiance. Okay? We all been there. Yep. We all been in a relationship and it's like, I'm tired of this person. But this apartment's chain adjacent. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, like I don't want to take the G to the A to the F every morning. Okay?
Also, when you get the paperwork says fucking Linda Jenkins on it, and there's no Joel Martinez and Dana Baker to be seen. Exactly. So you're like,
I'm rocking now.
Yeah, I'm just let it cool. I'm just let it ride. You know what I'm saying?
Maybe, Shorty had a hard day at work. Maybe we massage her feet when she come in. Maybe we work through this. You know what? Maybe I don't need to watch tonight's playoff game. Okay,
that's fine.
That's fine.
You could do. You know what?
It's a 5-game series. I'll catch another one.
That's fine.
Hear about your day.
That's cool. You know what? Let's talk about your day while you watch 4 episodes that you DVR'd of Grey's Anatomy. Okay,
just want to make sure you sign that lease renewal though.
Yeah. Let's start with that. Let's start with that.
Okay.
Just right there.
That's right there.
Right there. Okay. Perfect. Boom. All right. Cool. Now let's. What do you want? What do you want?
You know what?
This is us. All right,
I don't usually do this, but I stole our neighbor's blue apron, so I'm gonna cook that for you.
How do you feel about leaks?
We all did it. New York is different because, like, listen, if someone got the bomb ass apartment, you'll put up with a lot more shit in the relationship than you.
Hell yeah.
Listen, if someone lives on like 34th Street, if they live near a hub, if they live near Grand Central or some shit, if they live on 8th, second, if you're like in your early 20s, like.
Look, there was a point in my life where I'm like, yo, I'll fucking, like, now niggas got money, so you don't gotta worry about that. But back in the broke days, I'll be like, nigga, I'll change my sexuality for a good apartment. Like, fuck
it's
that.
True. It's true. Okay? Nigga, I was like,
that.
I'm like, damn, I'm gonna move to Brooklyn and become a spoken word poet.
Fuck
this
that.
Is whack, bro.
I'm never getting a ship up again. I'm doing spoken word strictly. I'm only wearing this dashiki forever.
Damn.
This one.
I was like, damn, I have to move to Crown Heights. Like, all my tweets gotta be about patriarchy.
That's it. You know what I'm saying? Fuck
whack, bro. I remember when I was looking at apartments in Brooklyn, I was like, Googling, I was like, what is a food co-op? Like, I was like, how does that work? I was like, so y'all just go there, y'all pay money? They was like, nah, you gotta work. I was like,
excuse me. I was like, is there somebody that could do my work for me?
Basically, the Bronx version of food co-op is just when you shoplift food in the Bronx.
Yeah.
Same thing.
That's it.
Same thing.
You cooperating with the community.
I'm cooperating with these pockets to get this food out of here. How about that?
Like, I need 2 tomatoes, dog. Mm-hmm. You think I'm standing in line for 2 tomatoes? No.
Nope.
Just going right in the hoodie pocket. Like, whoop, I'm out of here. Sir, do you have elephantiasis in your testicles? Mind your business.
Stealing is good. It's good for the soul.
It's a rush.
Some of y'all are like, Jesus, how can you say stealing is good? Y'all stole us.
That's right.
There was like, how do you know a white person said that? I don't know. I'm being racist. But, it's all fun. It's all good and fun. Yeah. What's more racist, stealing black people or me saying that white people stole black people? Shouldn't even have to take you that long thing.
No.
It's right there, baby.
The first one.
That's it.
I was just confused because it was like it was 2 sentences very close together.
Yeah.
And I smoke a lot of weed. But yeah, no, duh.
Yeah, we don't need the white people to listen to our podcast. They're good people. They be making salads and shit.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? They love raisins, keeping the raisin economy alive. You know
There's someone listening to our podcast right now and they're painting.
Absolutely.
You know that.
They're not just painting. They're like doing like some weird, like kind of like using painter's tape to make like a cool design in the corner of their room.
Love it.
Super DIY.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like that's what they're doing.
All right.
Boom. And then they're going to peel the tape back and they're going to do like a time lapse video of this shit. And they're going to peel the paint back and it's going to be like, look, it's like a geometric thing. It's like inspired by Jackson Pollock, except it's geometric. I'm like, yo, dog, you wasted 15 minutes of my life.
That seemed highly specific.
Yeah. Because it's a YouTube wormhole.
A what?
A YouTube wormhole.
You be watching
when,
YouTube?
You know when you just, like want to watch a certain thing on YouTube? Like like I went on YouTube and I was like, I missed the Giants game, the Week 4 Giants game, because we were in Los Angeles.
It's not a flex. We'll continue.
What were we doing in LA?
We were shooting.
I don't think you could talk about it.
Oh yeah, it's something we can't
Quite
talk
frankly-
about. Hey,
Wow, Mero talking about
Fat God.
to talk about on
Fat
the
God.
podcast. That never happens.
We were in LA doing something we can't talk about. It has nothing to do with us selling our bodies. And fuck. The whole reason of
YouTube
fucking,
specific.
YouTube
You missed the Week 4
wormhole.
Giants game.
Thank you.
You're in LA.
So we're in LA, missed the Giants game, came home and watched it on YouTube. Watched the highlights just to see what Daniel Jones is looking like. You know what I'm saying? And if I should pick up Gallman as a backup running back. And then, as is my custom, light up a blunt, fall into a wormhole of YouTube videos. And I ended up at that.
Wow, you as a cishet male be watching YouTube.
Yeah.
Can't relate, bro.
I can't, you know what? Because I don't subscribe to toxic masculinity, brother. You know what I'm saying? I'll watch a makeup tutorial on YouTube. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I want to know what my queen is going through. You know what I'm saying? I want to appreciate the effort and the dedication that it takes to properly beat a face. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
That's all I'm doing out here, bro.
Well, as an incel, I say fuck you, bro, and I'm gonna go masturbate. All right, you fucking better cock.
Is this
All right? Go
this
enjoy your Betty?
is this where I finally admit I don't know what the fuck insult means?
You know what? I'll be honest with you. Incel is some shit we don't need to learn about. It's
As
not
a fat guy, facts.
Here's the thing, everyone that's like an incel, they're either gonna die or like grow out of it soon.
What is that? Is that like a?
It's just
like
niggas that's not getting pussy.
It's just like edgelord type shit.
Yeah, it's, you know what? It's literally every 15-year-old boy that has ever existed. It's just a name for it. Like that weird part of life where you're just like, oh my god, like I really like girls, but I also hate them. Like that. Yeah, like come on, grow up, nigga. Grow up and wash your butt.
Wash your ass.
Okay.
Nigga, wash your ass.
If you wash my butt, that's gay. No, it's not. It's not. And you stink, Gary.
I literally saw that on
You
Twitter.
smell,
I was
okay?
like, yo, I don't know how y'all niggas be washing your ass
Okay?
every day.
I know you don't have a good relationship with your father, but it's high time you use deodorant.
Yo, listen.
You stink.
Listen.
You smell like outside.
You ever eat Whoppers? Malted milk balls? Your ass is full of them.
Also,
Wash your ass.
get well soon to Barry Sanders, who's in the hospital.
What?
Yeah,
What?
he's in the hospital. He had like some sort of chest pains yesterday. How is Barry Sanders in the hospital? Wait, am I fucking his name up? Barry Sanders. He's doing
You
right
mean
now.
Bernie Sanders?
Bernie Sanders.
Bernie Sanders.
Is Barry Sanders?
I was like, Barry Sanders. I'm more concerned about Barry.
We all concerned about Barry. Bernie Sanders. Bernie Sanders is in the hospital.
Okay.
That changes everything.
He retired early to preserve his health.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like, damn, that's fucked up.
Damn, Barry Sanders. Get real soon, brother.
He's
Sorry
doing like,
about you.
he's on like Fox NFL. Like, what you mean? What you talking about?
For my Detroit Lion fans out there. I'm sorry, Barry. For my Oklahoma State Cowboys. No, Bernie Sanders is in the hospital because he had like chest pains and
Because he's
shit.
112.
Oh, whatever. But your man Donald Trump be like freebasing filet of fishes,
Straight.
playing golf, eating taco bowls.
Straight up.
And he healthy as shit. He out here cursing on Twitter. He said bullshit. Everyone's like,
Oh my god! Like he wrote it in all caps.
if
though.
Donald Trump really wanted to curse, we're lucky as Americans that Donald Trump does not use emojis.
Oh my!
Because
god.
if he was to start using emojis for impeachment,
if he started using emojis, he would tweet like Playboy Cardi.
you know,
I'm
he would
100% sure.
He would use the peach emoji for impeachment.
Oh,
He used the peach and then the mint. We'd be so annoyed.
Fucking Herb. I can't
That's
stand
your
him.
president.
That's your president. That's your president.
That's your president.
Motherfucker. God damn it.
So the world is ending. So remember, go out the Bodega Boys way.
Yeah, eat babies.
Get a crave case from White Castle.
You know what I'm saying?
And just sit in the parking
100
lot.
sliders.
And just OD.
They call it sliders because they slide right at your ass as soon as you.
They slide in, they slide out.
Just slide. Just slide.
Should we do a song? We do a White Castle song about sliders.
Sliders.
I was gonna say we could use the step, slide, but we don't sample or
Cancel.
That's right. We allies. I'll be walking in the bar like, "What's up, sis? I canceled R. Kelly." She's like, "Okay."
So nigga, I don't care. She takes her headphones on. She's like, you just hear fucking 12 playing. Like, yo, oh.
Wow. Really, auntie?
Damn.
Really?
What? Oh, word? Oh, you still rock with this motherfucker?
Y'all really gonna play R. Kelly at this gender reveal? Gender reveals are a lot now.
They're getting out of hand. They're getting out of hand. That's why I'm so glad we don't have kids.
Like, so who does that? It's like, nigga, like,
listen,
well, I see the baby. Don't tell me what the fuck it's gonna be.
You know what I mean?
A gender reveal is just a spoiler.
It is.
It is.
It definitely is.
And then what if the baby's like, nah, you thought?
You thought stupid.
Got that, not this.
Blue powder? That was my umbilical cord, stupid.
Nope.
Stupid.
I'm
How
not
you
even gonna use a
feel? How you
chance.
feel? You fucking clown.
You can tell a lot by a person by like the kind of gender reveal they have.
Oh yeah.
You can tell like how much teaching you have to tell them, and how hard they're on Facebook, by like how hard they go on in the gender reveal. Like if your gender reveal got like steps, an associated vehicle, you know,
a website.
yeah, a hashtag.
Joe and Jen's gender reveal.
No, like nobody wants that shit.
No, we don't.
See, the problem is you think we care as much about your kid as you do.
No,
And the answer is
no.
always no,
never.
no.
I like gender
No
reveals.
one cares about little coyotito.
Yeah, no. I like gender reveals that are in the summer and they have to be at somebody's crib that has a nice crib and has a pool.
I like gender
And
reveals
alcohol.
that are on Instagram and like, look at my kid. I had him yesterday.
I mean, gender reveal is just an excuse to get fucked up. Like if I can find an excuse to get fucked up, I'll go to pretty much anything.
Nah, I don't like that.
You could be like, yo, fucking Bernie Sanders is doing a TED talk about how he had a fucking conniption.
I've
like,
recently
all right,
discovered a new problem I have. I have made my apartment so fucking comfortable. There's literally no reason for me to leave it.
Oh yeah, no, that's my crib.
No,
I literally designed my crib
so when
like
people
that.
are like, come out to this, I'm like, no.
No.
I'm like, no. I have a big TV. I got weed. I got alcohol. Like, why am I leaving my house? I got pillows. I got socks. I got a hoodie if I get cold.
I open my alcohol cabinet every day.
I got DiGiorno pizzas.
How dare you?
Okay, we eating good in the neighborhood.
Yo.
I got pepperoni and the 4 cheese.
Listen,
okay, don't act like your boy ain't popping.
I have a 24-hour McDonald's right around the corner.
That's not your house.
And I have a diner around the corner that I could just seamless.
He don't understand.
Bong, bong, bong.
He don't understand. See,
I don't gotta do nothing.
no.
All I gotta do is open the door.
Fam, that's too much work. I'm not getting off my couch.
But you can't. But then
I can stay on my couch for 3 days, bro. 3 days. I taught my dog how to operate shit. I'll be like, Mac, make me ramen.
But I mean, I'm on the same tip.
You're not the same tip.
I did.
Out of here.
No, I told my kids, yo,
You
go
got
outside.
an Instapot? You making bread out here, huh?
I'm not making bread.
Okay, get the fuck out of here. Okay.
I'm just ordering it.
The other day I made bread for my chili bowl.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's how much at home I'm at. Okay, and there was shredded cheddar on top of the bowl, which lets you know I'm staying home because I'm wild lactose intolerant. Okay, all of Sunday morning I was like, oh, this shit burns.
Yeah, he's like, yo, my man.
Like, yo, go away.
You're not supposed to go. Doodoo ain't supposed to be up here.
Okay. I used to take a shit at Elvis' guest house, but they closed it down.
Oh shit! Shout out to Elvis guest house.
It's a movement.
You know what I'm saying? It was a time in
was a
life.
time.
Shout out to Lit.
We need to open like a wild scumbag bar.
Like Lit?
I don't know. We
Max
call
Fish?
It, what's a Epstein's?
Whoa!
Okay, all right. That's too scumbaggy. Too scumbaggy.
Yo!
We need middle scumbag. Who is
Okay.
like a middle scumbag? Who is someone who's not like women are not completely outraged against, but are still hate?
Mark Wahlberg?
What are we working on? Come on, ladies. Who we got?
Michael B. Jordan?
Who? Michael B. Jordan.
I thought he was
about-
I thought like
I think he's dead, but I think John Daly never knew how to act in a Hooters.
the golfer.
Yeah, the fat golfer.
Oh yeah, he was a wild kid.
Yeah, John Daly. Yeah, John Daly. Who Who? Come on. Who's been problematic but not that problematic for women?
I thought
Lawrence Fishburne.
What did Cowboy Curtis do?
Yo, he had that wild interview. Where he was
shit!
just
I
like,
forgot
yo,
he was Cowboy Curtis.
Yeah, he wasn't Lawrence Fishburne. He was Larry Fishburne.
Wow.
They was like, respect me as a thespian.
No, my
I
fault.
was like, if you don't get your Mechaleka hidey ho out of here.
Fam, I was thinking of Terrence Howard.
Terrence Howard. That's
Terrence
that's
Howard.
the
Hey,
one.
man.
Terrence
Hey,
Howard. Yeah.
wait, no, is he?
He's like teetering.
Yeah.
Everybody's like, yo, he's fucking nuts. Like,
He's not
something going
insulting
on.
women. He's just insulting like science and math. and
Yeah,
shit.
exactly.
Like, okay.
He's insulting our intelligence.
But we can't start a bar called Howard's because everyone from Howard is gonna like. Get
Oh yeah, they're gonna be like, yeah, start marching and shit.
Ta-Nehisi Coates be like, yeah. I was like, you didn't graduate.
You
did
didn't graduate.
I know.
We interviewed you. we know. I got dirt on you, doggy.
I love how Ta-Nehisi Coates now is just a homie. Like it was like his book about reparations. Oh my nigga. My nigga Ta-Nehisi. Oh,
That's what
nigga.
it is. Hey, gang.
He got
He's like, yo, that Capone Noriega shit was fire. Yo,
That shit
stick
was
you, that's
fire.
my shit, nigga. I was like,
I'm start sending him vines and shit. I'm like, yo, nigga, look at this shit. Nigga. He's like, I'm at Harvard. I'll watch this later.
send him shit at the cop falling off the motorcycle and be like,
He's like, I'm cracking up. I'll talk to you later.
FTP.
All right, who's the halfway problematic man? Halfway problematic man.
Halfway problematic, man. Shit.
Little Duval?
I feel like he's 75% problematic.
But
80,
he's not
85%.
human. He's not human size. So he's
Oh, so you gotta adjust like to scale.
problematic. Like, all right, who else? Damn, Kevin Hart. I think Kevin Hart went full.
I feel like
problematic.
if you put him and Duval together, you got like problematic and a quarter. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I'm picking change out now. Like, like I don't even got a
You
whole
said they
dollar.
went from complimentary problematic to supplementary.
Supplementary.
Somewhere right now, my math teacher just did the hardest fucking
Yo.
fist pump. She was like, "Let's fucking
Go! Let's go! Yo.
I just want anyone."
My mom just slapped the shit out of somebody right now for no reason. She has no idea why. She's like, he did it. He understands the community property. I did my job.
All right. You're on my 90 degrees. Say what?
What?
180 degrees. Say what?
What?
Protractor.
Protractor. Yo, on my obtuse niggas, put your hands up. On my cute niggas, put your hands up. What?
When I say you say cute.
Cute. Cute.
There's like there's like some fourth grader right there. This is like, I can't get this. I never seen a cute angle before. One time now, they're under 90. Let's go now. Everyone's like, who are these two old people? Who are these two? Why did they get? They're like, security. We have Faith Evans and Fat Man Scoop have broken into the school. We are going to an immediate lockdown.
All the securities man watch, so they just like rocking with him, like, hey. They're not even stopping him. They're like, hey, go ahead, Faith. You still got it, girl. Hey.
What's your pi digit? What's your pi digit?
If you got a T9, ladies. If you got a T9 in your backpack. If you got a T9 in your backpack, ladies.
Oh shit! Cosine tangent. Everyone's like, we have a Regents tomorrow. Like, we have to learn.
we gotta
Like,
learn this shit.
We're gonna fail the fuck
We
out
can't
this
just
shit.
sing this shit, bro. We gotta write it down on paper and show our
Skating
work.
around the room.
Why? Why did she come here in roller skates?
Oh.
Yeah.
Think about, has anyone in this room as an adult used a protractor?
Never.
Never. Ow.
Literally ever. I've only ever used it to help my kids do their homework. It's a
Protractor.
vicious cycle.
Wow.
We're anti-protractor.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck, we're pro-vaccines and all the regular shit.
Protractors
But
are anti-black.
That's right.
I said it.
That's right.
Protractors are
Anti-black. You know what I'm
Because think
saying?
about it. 360 degrees.
Do the knowledge guard.
If you look on a map and you type in 360s, it takes you to Africa. Don't quote me on that. So they cut the protractor in half. You only get 180.
Talk to him.
So you're only halfway to Africa.
Oh.
Only halfway know yourself.
Yeah.
If you only halfway know yourself, you don't fully know yourself.
You know what I'm saying?
You don't know yourself.
You don't know yourself. You don't got knowledge of self, God.
Think about that.
You know what I'm
Think
saying?
about that. Can you pleasure your queen with only giving 1/80th of that dick?
No.
Nope.
Of course not.
Okay. 1/80th of the black man in the black family is
That's
Tristan
right.
Thompson. You can't do that.
That's right.
You gotta be in there with 360.
All day.
Stay awake.
Like the waves.
Okay? The
Feel
waves.
me?
They come, they go.
That's right.
They come, they go.
Boom.
You got a secret family, you come, you go.
You come, you go.
It's mathematics, it's nature.
what I mean?
Don't break that up,
Mathematics,
Mom.
God.
Don't be selfish and try to keep me for yourself. There's
Yo.
a lot of shores that my waves have to go
Have to
on.
crash on.
Okay, I have to
You know what I'm
crash
saying?
on, you know?
I got some reefs to explore.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Don't let the 85% deaf, dumb, and blind fool you, my queen.
If I have a family in Mogadishu, how does that affect you?
You know what I'm saying?
Okay? Mogadishu, not you.
Not you.
Okay? You being selfish.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
It's not Mogadishu me, it's Mogadishu you.
You feel me? You feel
know what I'm
me?
saying?
Okay?
I'm gaslighting you crazy right now.
I got a family in Kingston. Why? Because I'm a king.
Son.
You understand? Everyone's laughing, but this is literally what Jamaican men do when you catch them cheating. So wait, I'm supposed to work with her and not have sex with her?
Huh?
How does that make sense?
How am I supposed to do that?
You'd be like, wait,
Huh?
it makes
Are you
perfect sense.
mad?
Don't have sex with her.
No.
If she's there and I'm there, why would I not have sex with her? It's like,
But she want to have sex with me.
Okay.
Huh?
we both work with electricity.
Like what? No. What is it? We have soup for lunch.
But Jamaican men be like, yes, I have a secret family, and yes, they need to move in with you. You're like, but what? What? What happened when Desus' secret family moves in with Heaven's Brownstone? Come to CBS this weekend. It's me and Heaven back to back, like. Heaven's like, I'm going to Red Rooster for lunch. I was like, I think you mean we're going to Red Rooster?
Pack up all the kids and shit.
And when I watched the CBS, I was like, I don't like this show.
I don't like it.
It's
I don't
very
like
ethnic.
it. It's weird.
It's so weird.
It's weird. Is this Sister Wives?
I don't get
What's
it.
going on here?
Is that AOC's friend?
Yeah.
Is that Ayana girl?
Yeah. What is Jay Ellis's role in all this? Why is he just standing in the background?
Yo, okay, how come no one talked about this? There's a show on CBS, and it's about a white guy with his Nigerian wife, like he falls in love with his Nigerian nurse or some shit like that. Hello?
Okay.
But apparently the person that plays like his nurse or something, she wrote it. So I guess it's not problematic. But if it's on CBS, it has to be problematic.
Oh yeah, that's
Right.
like the old people channel.
Also, they stole my my sitcom about you falling in love with my aunt who's a Jamaican nurse, nanny.
Oh yeah, damn.
Mero,
Yo, CBS
Mero
will
love
flip that.
Gloria.
Yo, Mero.
See, come on. Bob loves Addison. Come on.
You know what I'm saying?
Come on, bro.
Come on. Mero and Stacey Ann.
Mero and Stacey Ann Gooden.
Emmy Award winners. Best supporting actor.
If you make that show,
goes
I gotta be in it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Best supporting actor goes to Jesus Nice as
Thank
Uncle
you.
Barrington.
Thank you.
Oh my God!
Thank you.
Oh my God! And Marilyn Stacey Ann is just cleaning up at the Emmys this year.
I just got mad corny lines like, "Who wants to play Baby Shark?" Donna, Donna, Donna. They're like, I love him. I just have to be like the wild, like asexual black man. I gotta be the black guy from Designing Women.
Oh shit! Yeah.
Yeah.
He never got no buns.
He never got. Also,
That's actually a fucking thing. I'm gonna
preach. Oh shit! Woke Mero's coming
Here we
out.
go. I'm gonna
Woke
teach
Mero's
these
coming
devils.
out.
We're gonna teach these devils.
So the rhythm, the rebel. Don't believe the hype.
Yo.
Yes, y'all.
Listen, wiggity. It's wiggity whack.
That's
you know
right.
what I'm saying?
Open your third eye.
Open your third eye to calcify your pineal gland.
That's
Every
right.
time there's an ensemble cast, and they have a black character.
Preach.
That black character never gets to fall in love and live life.
Talk that talk.
You know what I'm saying? It's always about the white people and their inner turmoil and strife about fucking each other at work and shit.
There's no character development.
You know what I'm
right
saying?
action going forward.
What the
for
fuck
black
is
character.
going on?
What's up with that?
Yo, I've been watching Chicago PD for fucking 3 seasons.
Chicago
my man,
PD racist.
You know what I'm saying? My man Sweetwater's not getting no buns.
Sweetwater, I don't even know who that is. I don't watch shows about PD.
Come on, man.
Police departments, apparently Mero does.
Fuck. I just do it so I know what to do. You know what I'm saying? Just in case I get in trouble and shit like that. I know like
She gets locked up in Chicago PD.
you know what I mean? I know like the accent and shit. I can be like, hey Joe, I ain't trying to go to jail, Joe.
That is the worst Chicago accent I've ever heard.
Listen, I'm trying.
That sounds like you heard Common talk for 30 seconds.
I feel like
Sounds like you're trying to kidnap Angela Raj. She's like, I'm not falling for this. That's not my boo.
she said you served one season on Showtime.
Shout to
One season.
Shout to Angela Raj and Common having some woke sex. Woo. They have a woke like sex? Yeah.
Look at that woke sex.
I read it respectfully.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, they're together?
She already yelled at me, so I don't want no problems.
They're a thing?
Yeah, similar thing.
Oh shit, I didn't know that.
Oh yes, the one.
Oh shit, go ahead.
We need a new show called just Gossip. Hot Goss.
Hot Goss.
Hot Goss. The TV. No, wait,
Why was that not on Gossip?
It was like 2 years ago when it happened.
Oh shit. Damn.
Nigga,
Yo,
like,
Angela,
that should go online.
Damn, Angela's staying low and building on the gram. Okay, I see you, sis. All right.
They're not. They're out in public. Like,
I have never seen him on her page.
nigga, well, I can't.
How much you on
Angela?
Angela's page?
Yeah, what's going on?
I mean, she's in.
What's up?
she's
You got me like that?
Nah,
Yeah,
yo,
nigga,
stop,
yeah,
stop,
nigga, yeah.
stop,
Oh,
stop,
wow,
stop,
wow.
stop.
Yo, Common, run
stop,
up on this
stop,
nigga.
stop, stop,
Common,
stop,
he trying to steal. Yo, Common, make a Mero diss track.
Stop.
He's like,
Bill
Mero,
Gates.
you're no hero.
Relax.
Wow. Common gonna make a diss song with Questlove.
Yo, it's
That shit gonna have the roots. That's gonna be groovy as shit.
It's gonna be like over an unreleased J
I can't
Dilla
wait.
beat.
I'll be dancing at Roots Pickler like, fuck Mero, he's no hero. Fuck Mero, he's no hero.
I hate to see that next Microsoft commercial.
You can use this tablet hands free, unlike the hands I gave for free to Mero.
Meanwhile, I'm backstage with a black eye with Angela, like, yo, tell him to chill.
Don't talk to me. That's why you got your ass beat in the first place. You landed one punch.
Yo.
Oh wow, okay. Daiana Carroll died. That's not funny. That's for real.
Who?
Daiana Carroll. You know Daiana Carroll. Diane Carroll. I'm pronouncing it wrong.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah. Rest in peace to the homie.
I was like, at first I was like,
Yeah. It's always weird when people die because it's just like, oh shit, people gonna die.
oh shit, yeah.
Yeah.
Mortality.
It should make you go harder in life and reach for your goals.
That's right.
Okay? Like a song I wrote, a lot of people don't know I wrote this. When I was in ninth grade, I wrote a song. It goes, be optimistic. No matter your head to the sky. Someone stole it and made it into an actual song. But I wrote that. I wrote that, and I also wrote Mr. Wendell, which was stolen from me by Sounds Black. Yes.
That's fucked
Mr.
up.
Wendell. I wrote a lot of people give it to Raphael Sadiq, but I wrote a lot of like the songs from
Shout out to him.
Yeah.
Tony.
Well, shout out to me because I wrote these songs.
Well, shout out to you.
My biggest
Shout out
song,
to him for finessing.
yeah. I wrote Rough Ends, No More Shopping Sprees.
Oh shit.
Yes.
I respect that.
No more shopping sprees. No more late night sprees.
No more VIP. No more dough. We can't even kick it no
I
more.
wrote that. Okay, I wrote that in church, and I just don't get the props that I deserve for pushing the culture forward. Okay,
Yo, man, a bad lawyer, you get a royalty.
I had a bad 360
They
deal.
fucked him up.
They paid me in a sour power. It was the 90s. It was stupid.
Yo, what was it for? Oh,
Paid me
yo,
in Vansons.
yo, he started in essence.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I'm Mike. You know what I'm saying? He was on 233 White Plains. Him and his boys was riding the train. And he saw you. Oh,
It's classic.
yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Oh man.
He was with Mero and Mero. That's the joint. I feel like that song is like
You're from
timeless.
233rd. Like when you heard that, we get violent.
You
That
get
was,
super hype. Yeah, you
that
got
was,
to. You have to.
You know, put a lot of classics out here.
Yeah, that's why I was like when first came out with
songs requested, dancing like you're naked. It's almost like we're sexing. Oh yeah, ooh, I know you like it. I know I can't deny it, but you know, tell I'm excited. Oh girl, and she's like, sir, this is a sex crime. Step back. You're dancing kind of close. I feel a poke coming through. Now, girl, I know you felt it, but boy, you know I can't help it. You know what? You know what? If someone was to read this back to you in court, you'd feel totally. And then you said, now, girl, I know you felt it, but boo, you know I can't help it. You know what I want to do. What exactly? She told you she no longer wanted you pressing the dick on her, and this is how you responded.
Yo, it's funny because Missy Elliott recently tweeted like, "Yo, what happened to all the male, like the male ensemble R&B groups?" And I was like,
I'll tell you what happened. All these social justice warriors can't even be an R&B. You can't even. That's why I quit comedy. That's why I quit R&B.
Yeah, you can't just think about having a boner on a broad anymore.
You know
what kind of shit is that?
Okay,
I got a boner. I want to put it on a broad. Why shouldn't I be able to?
They're like the Bodega Boys, author of song "Pin You Down, Bitch." Say you can no longer make songs in 2019. This song is a mess.
Yo, I'm telling you. It's literally like a subway sexual harassment.
The chorus where she's like, "Nigga, I'll cut you."
Nigga, I'll cut your fucking face
if you don't put that dick away. Oh, girl, I thought you was playing, but dick is what you're filleting.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna back up to. Also, what year was this? Because this was
I feel like this is late 90s, like 99, turn of the century.
This is
turn of the century.
1997. That listen, 90s dicks was different.
Yo,
that was a lot of stress.
Yo,
you know what I mean? Niggas ain't really have the internet yet.
Niggas have internet, and then they had like, I don't want to call it propaganda, but it was just like
getting out of like crack and shit like that.
Yeah, just get out of crack. They were like, "Yo, crack is over," but guess what? We got AIDS, motherfucker. And they're like, "Yo, if you don't use a condom every single time you have sex, you're gonna get AIDS and die a horrible death."
Was that the 90s?
I was like, when I was in junior high, they hammered that shit. And so, you know how some schools be like giving out the bullshit, like, yo, abstinence is the safest way. I'd never seen one of them shits. It was always like, yo, use condoms, motherfucker, or you're gonna get AIDS.
Okay.
They skipped the HIV part.
No, when at our school, they was just like, yo, just don't get pregnant.
Oof.
It was like, yo,
that was like a given in my school. They were like, yo, you probably get pregnant, but
they actually sold it well. They was like, yo, getting pregnant is mad corny. So people was just like, all right. They was like, cause you can't do nothing. If you pregnant, you can't do nothing. If you in high school, what you going? You pregnant. And every pregnant girl, shout out to that one girl that hangs with her all the time.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? She go to the store with her. Yep. She wake her up.
Yeah, let's get pregnant together.
No, they don't get pregnant together. There's like one foam girl who's not pregnant with her, just like take care of all her shit. And then like later on, when she posts the girl, when she posts the baby on Instagram, she's like, "Oh, I will help raise you too.
Yo,
auntie love you.
Yo, Titi loves you. I miss you.
Oh my God, look at my.
I was there when you crowned. You didn't have no hair."
They got mad pictures of her young. Then they got the picture of her awkwardly as a teenager,
like the Cardi B photo, like her, like.
That's love. That's hood love.
Hood love. Is that also a next song?
Next has some weird songs like "Pay My Sprint Bill."
Yeah. I don't want to use a condom right now.
That's your sister. Like for real.
Is it okay if I fuck your cousin? Mm-hmm. We've been broken up for like 2 months.
Where's the key to your Ultima?
Can I borrow $20?
She's sleeping. Can I borrow $20 to remix?
Borrows and scare quotes.
Yo, keep your voice down. My girl gotta go to work in the morning. Are y'all smoking weed in my good living room?
That was the next one.
Who used my decorative soaps? My favorite song, "Not at My Job." Oh, you don't want to talk to a nigga?
Oh, word?
You don't want to talk to a nigga?
Oh, word? Mm-hmm. You talk to that nigga a lot. Mm-hmm. You always talking about this motherfucker back here. Yeah,
that's your work.
Yeah,
Come here, Chauncey.
Yeah. Come here, you fucking fake Boris Kojo looking motherfucker. What's up?
Put up to a job in NBA jeans
and high top Air Force Ones, all black with the strap unstrapped.
She knew what I was doing.
You pull up with the fucking tank. I'm gonna call it a guinea team. You pull up with the guinea team, the fucking jeans with the hammer loop and Timbs and the do-rag.
In her Ultima.
Woo, in her Ultima, you know.
Her Ultima.
Yeah, it's time for some action.
Yeah.
Time for some action.
Let's go. Found out what? This nigga took you to Starbucks yesterday?
Shout out to everybody that's ever embarrassed their partner at work. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, that's abuse, but it's love.
It happens.
It happens. You gotta do it. That's how you gotta let people know. You gotta be like, yo, I'm fucking crazy for you.
I will wild out.
Okay, I'll fight everyone here because I fucking love you. Okay? Shout out to everyone that doesn't know how to communicate. That's how they express emotion. Okay? Don't give up on me like everyone else has.
Gaslight boys in the building, y'all.
Gaslight and the funk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gaslight. Gaslight.
Oh, God. I can name 5 people who are not laughing right now. I don't know right now. I was like, I hate this nigga so much. I hate this nigga. You live with me rent free. Shut the fuck up. Anyway, it's been episode 72.
Yo. With the Seinfeld. Can you believe this, bro?
I'm just saying, like, you can't. Okay. If you're not paying rent and someone's doing shit, fucked up shit to you, you can't complain.
No, you can't.
Because you didn't pay rent, right? If matter of fact, if they started doing fucked up shit to you because you wasn't paying rent, this podcast is going into a dark place that I probably should tell my therapist about. And guess what? I'm not. Because I need my therapist to think I'm the perfect person. So
I'm not a perfect person.
She's like, did you do anything bad this week?
I cracked Justin. I did it. Is that Stained? What the fuck song is that?
Stain had that.
Why was that in my head?
It's been Stain. When I heard Stained, I was like, this is what it's like to be an adult with problems. It's been a while
since I could hold my head up high. I'm like, why? You got neck problems?
I thought Stained was like when you got like serious problems, like you about to lose your house.
Yeah,
like, Stained is like when Wayfair doesn't deliver your package. Like it's not a serious problem.
My girlfriend of 2 weeks broke up with me.
Yo, I gotta return something to Target. I lost the receipt.
Oh no! You're like, no.
These are minor problems.
He's just sitting in your can't fucking with the rain pouring around. Like, no.
It's like when you order something from a company and then you watch the news like, oh, this company's canceled. You're like, oh, fuck.
I just bought this Gucci turtleneck.
Rich nigga problems.
No. That's right, you cowards. This has been episode 173.
How do you feel about this episode?
Yeah.
We're going to do a post-mortem before this episode's over.
I feel like it was great.
Feel like it was a good one?
Strong.
Feel like,
you know what I'm saying?
We brought the heat.
Brought the heat, and the Yankees are bringing the heat tonight. You know what I'm saying? The boys are in the building.
We are.
You know what I'm saying?
This airs on Monday, but
by the time you hear this, the Yankees will have been victorious.
They're going to be up 2-0.
2-0. Taking it to the Euros. 2-0. It's the final score. The series will be tied 2-0 going into Minnesota.
2-0 is not tied.
Well, oh yeah,
2-0.
that's true. Yeah, there.
Can I just say, give us some applause.
We did it.
Episode 173.
We did it.
You did what?
Pino free.
Pino free.
Pino free.
Pino free.
You're welcome.
Okay.
For all you fucking weirdos that are like, yeah, these guys just said
nothing. We didn't say nothing about refreshing X Hamster.
Nothing.
Having that weird hour at 3 a.m. where you got all the porn sites open at the same time. You're just going back and forth.
Yeah.
You're on page 256.
And you don't even care.
Yeah, you don't even care.
You're just like,
I'm
yo.
here for standard definition of blur.
Yeah.
Give me something. And there's your Pino. It's been episode 173. It's your boy Desus Night, aka Young Chipotle. Or it could be Young Dos Toros. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Okay? Also, shout out to Kendall Jenner, who had clearly $10,000 worth of Dos Toros at the Jimmy Fallon show. Like, she's keeping y'all niggas in business. Pocket stay fat like Cheerio. Or pocket stay fat like...
Hey,
here we go! Catch us at the Nick Teen Choice Awards.
Yeah.
We're gonna get
winning mad blimps.
We mad smack with Enzo Engort. It's gonna be lit. He gonna say the N-word accidentally. Be like, oh,
yeah. We gonna be chill.
I'll be like, it's cool. He's our nigga. So, but I'm know you, but young day party, young hot take, Jesus say fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rondo. You know, visit the vete quattro, girl, going off the Juve boss. MC put up from 40 with shorty. AK, don't talk to me in the Uber because I don't know you. I don't know you. I'm not trying to learn you. Actually, I have Uber Diamond. So, I mean, in theory, I'm gonna ask you to get out this Uber pool. Yeah. I need you to cancel your ride so I can ride alone.
Yeah, bye.
I'm sorry.
Bye.
It's not me. It's you.
Get out of here.
Where were you going? You going to the hospital for dialysis?
No.
Don't care.
Could have been bad. Don't care. Don't care.
Don't make a fuss on.
Still don't care.
Dialysis, no one gives a fuck. These rising Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado, Sing Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Taconary, AK, Chill Limon, left handed really for the Yankees. Okay, we're going to kick their asses tonight.
Papi, you know.
You play, you win tonight. That's it. That's it.
That's it. That's
all you could do.
That's it, Papi.
That's all you could do.
That's it.
All right. 2-4 Jones. Jesus Machina, Jake Chuckle, Stanley Cup, the human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute. D-Now the champion, Mr. 2-4P, because I got my
Straight up.
DJ Woola, aka listen to Watch FM. Oh shit.
Oh, what do we got?
You know what? Because it is time for the Yankees.
Yeah.
And the only people that listen to the Yankees are like white people. We're gonna play a classic here.
Oh, Yankees classic.
If you've never been in a bar,
oh
and
shit,
you've never heard this song.
Oh shit.
You never watched two white girls in black spandex fight each other.
Yeah.
This is called a little classic.
Give it to me. Yeah. Where did you go? Got Nigel. Nigel. Where did long time ago? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Got Nigel. This is the official song of like white girls in leggings and Uggs fighting to the death.
If you're an off-duty cop and you have to be friendly with the other off-duty black cop, and you're at Yankee Stadium, this is and they're gonna show like one guy to stand like.
Yeah, doing the lawnmower. Oh god, the sprinkler. Oh boy.
Yes, so we love it. Yes, it troubles me to be a Yankee fan because 90% of Yankee fans are MAGA. But you know, listen, what can I do? The curry goat, T. Spicer, Jamal Hasbro, the Bronx City, Ray nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You can't contain or don't try to contain me. No. And when I say don't try to contain me, I mean in a container or like like a single family relationship. You remember me with the job, young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henry Bloodcoats, Nelson Mandela. At this point, if I don't have a secret family, I feel like people would be disappointed. Yeah.
I feel like we gotta find one. We'll cultivate one.
Yeah.
Or leave it a mystery.
Damn, you kind of freaked that.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, that's good. Good shit.
Angela Lansbury, who?
Actually, Skepta and Adele are my secret family. How about that?
Oh shit!
That's right.
Wow.
Boom. I'd watch that show.
They had a child out of wedlock, and it was Desus.
I'm a kid, like, I need milk, mate.
Hey,
I need milk in it. Man's just teething, bro.
Oh, that's why he's so handy with a knife.
Oh, man's teething. All right. Never found a man like you in it. Hello, in it.
Hello.
Do you mean the word that's melting in your mouth? The word there's candy. The delicious taste of getting older.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Beck's on Deckinton. Ricky Squad. Can you pay someone to like? What's it called? Like if you want to eat a Werther's during sex, and just like have it going back and forth between you and the
Worthing.
mouth. Worthing. Oh, yeah. So you come in, you nasty Worthing bitch. Yeah. Just sucking on it.
You're gonna be that's tantric sex because you're gonna be there for like 24 hours,
and then the stickiness afterwards. Oh, you Worthing?
What if it falls down and like you gotta pick it up with your hands and like your hands are sticky and shit?
Worthing. Worthing.
Yo, yeah, motherfuckers didn't do what was the other challenge? The
clam strip challenge.
Clam strip challenge. That motherfuckers fucking
now
up.
Now one person posted up with clam strips.
Shout out to the one brave soul that posted the clam strips. Clam strip challenge still going, and now we're doing the other one.
Marie Love, post a picture of your titties, but block out your nipples with clam strips. You do that, we definitely moving in together. All right. Mr. Drexel Deckerton, Ricky Squad, Greg Pop, Morrison Chestnut, Muhammad Gambi. Now, man, I got that cucumber, the juice of press with the boy never is. I am the Dendaliga news, no more cup of noodles because the sodium is way too high. That's and right. Why would I want 52% of my daily sodium? That is insane.
That's
insane
right.
Is a ableist term.
That's
so
right.
I won't say that. Problematic light is here. Just like State Farm.
Like a good neighbor, problematic light is there. We've come so far because we're from the Bronx. We have insurance. Like that's wild. It's wild.
Bro, having insurance and being from the Bronx, like, oh, you thought?
Oh, what?
That's why I drive off. Oh, I hit you? Oh, sorry.
Oh, skirt.
The Prince of Peckham, Fashion Over Casting Over. We made cents, 5 cents, 10 cents. Don't forget the small change.
What you want? What you need? Big money. What?
You know the barbecue's about to turn into Celine Dion.
Oh, yeah.
You know this?
Yeah, Phil
Either
Collins,
that
Celine
or
Dion said it's
Uncle
coming.
and Auntie are about to fight.
Oh, yeah.
Mate, he tried to use the main bathroom. The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
Yeah.
Saga, catch me at square one, top left. Man's is Mar.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Don't cheese me, bro.
Show up, bro.
Wow, can't believe Kawhi left. Kawhi. Trill Rizzuto, holy cow. Catch me at the money store because Mr. Soft Punk, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it is me, Sunny D.
Oh, goddamn.
David Yurman. These expensive. These is red bottoms. These is bloody shoes. Smokeem Noah.
Goddamn.
Andrew Coon and aka the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down upon me, Charles.
Sit on it. Yeah, mass interface. No wireless charging.
I was just like, this is the most lit Apple keynote I've been to.
Yo, Steve Jobs twerking and shit. They got a hologram of that nigga. Niggas upside down twerking on a tree and shit.
How many of you enjoy your meals? Well, in Apple, we've come up with something new. It's called Apple Scotch Bonnet. It will take any of your meals and spice it up. And some of you are saying yes, he's talking out his Ross. But I'm telling you the truth.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
So tell you, it's the Bodega Boys. We're here to talk about...
Unbelievable.
It's talking about... Listen, it's digital spices for you.
Listen, you might be saying to yourself, are you mad? But I assure you, we are not.
Okay.
We are mad about bringing technology to the masses.
Listen, thank you. I thank my man Mero for passing the Dutchie to the left-hand side.
That's right.
Where I'm going to tell you more about digital spices. Apparently, white people can't handle regular spices, so we have automated spices that you put a filter on your food. It's the same thing as actual spices.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you get the spice without the spice.
All right. Well. And now performance from who? Spice.
Whoa.
Everyone's like, y'all releasing new AirPods or what's going on?
Enjoy the Spice One performance. We'll be back out in 45 hours.
Blessings on our toast. Like, what the fuck is this? Like, y'all doing a new MacBook or no?
The fuck?
We in front of Come back, I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and Sayasa.
Goddamn.
11791. I'm on the LIRR. You want to fight me? Come fight me at Babylon.
I dare you.
I dare you. I'll beat the peak ticket off you. AK Grandpa joking. When you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Don't touch my cat. And to my neighbor that asked if Charlie was pregnant, he is a male. That was very rude. Okay, he's just fat. Your man said I tease this. Morning, Sheriff. Be ashamed if some of these greeting cards went missing from this here Target. They was like, "We'll fuck you up." I was like, "All right, fine." Mrs. Shopping that street easy like a bad breach. Like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asian addict will crack your back like an automatic Craftmatic. Remember when Craftmatics was like the flex?
Yeah, then you realize
it's a hospital.
Yeah, like,
sad.
It's just sad.
Sad.
Sad word. So
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Mr. Labyrinth, Mesmer, Fresh Misdemeanor, Cold Demeanor, aka Sheep Mask Killer. No.
Yeah.
The Black Morris of Port Morris, when you see me walking around in the gentrification, be like, hey, that's Jesus. AKA your problematic Bay. Remember, it's not a secret family if you don't acknowledge them.
You know what I'm saying?
Let that little nigga learn on his own.
Yeah. Fuck your fort, little nigga. Yo, you know what time it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, get excited, kids. Yes, haha, I've arrived. This is your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti. Stay at my motherfucking DMs, don't get me in trouble. I just started getting money, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your motherfucking teacup Yorkie, keep it moving. Ask me if I can fuck. I do not. I'm motherfucking still stuck to the bottom of my tire. AKA I don't fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA no need to check the guest list, motherfucker. I am the guest list. You hear me? You hear me?
I can confirm he is.
I played fucking David Ruffin in the fucking Temptations movie, B. That was me. You know what I'm saying? Respect my IMDb credits, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? How dare you?
How
you know
dare
what I'm saying?
you?
How dare you?
How dare
you? Know what
you?
I'm saying? To come against me. You know what I'm saying?
And Mama Sushi.
That's right. AKA CC Dab Bath here. You know what I'm saying? Catch me in my basement doing very highly concentrated strains of THC. You dig? AKA James saying fat dick. I'll ghost on you, shorty. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you this power. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tiger Backwoods. Nigga, I'll smoke you in the back nine. Keep playing with me. AKA getting to the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman. Schmack. You know what I'm saying? AKA Mero 4 got me 89.5 fantasy points this week. Because I trained him. I had him in mini camp. You know why? Because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? Also, I want a good return on my motherfucking investment. AKA Big Smack Biombo. You know what I'm saying? AKA Diego Merodana. AKA Dick in your bed motobo. You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. I'm playing. I'm just kidding. I respect all women's agency. Therefore, I must receive consent before I enter the pussy.
All women?
Thank you.
All women's agency?
All.
Oh, what's an ally?
That's right. Thank you. AKA David Chills on nigga. Pow, take that for data. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car.
I need that.
Yeah, I don't care. It's a PT Cruiser. Nigga,
I work advice. How am I going to get work?
If you knew better, you do better. Get a smart car. Yo.
So sad.
AKA the Dominican data document daddy. You know what I'm saying? AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come out here and ask me how Heather and the kids are doing, you asshole. Edward. You know what I'm saying? You like your little fucking motherfucking job, Boston market job that you got here? Huh? So put the fucking rotisserie chicken in the bag and keep it moving, B. Stop asking me fucking stupid questions, man. AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny. Let me black out. Yo, tu favorito, mommy. Catch me in the dugout. ALDS, nigga. I'm digging out your titi with my Chelsea boots on. That's right. Get it? Dugout, digging out? Uh-huh.
Digging out.
That's right. I'm all up in her guts, stupid. Come fight me. Don't scuff my Chelsea boots, though, because I'll fuck you up. AKA Lionel Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That your broke ass ain't got five. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what a $5 bill looks like, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? If we were on the internet, I would just abbreviate that by writing TBH. AKA Tom Bracey, your girl got my balls deflated. You know what I'm saying? Like Bobby Kraft. You know what I'm saying? Table shot boys in a belts in. AKA Feel the Ass Tyson. You know what I'm saying? I want to explore your costumes, ma. Consensually. You know what I'm saying? We don't do that other shit. You know what I'm saying? We the consent boys over here. You feel me? Gang, you know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy, first nigga to tap on live, you know what I'm saying? Been doing it before your favorite SoundCloud rapper ever even thought of it. You know what I'm saying? Ever. AKA Final Messi VP Gelato, AKA Zaniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
At what location?
At Mama Sushi. That's right, the Dykeman one. You know what I'm saying? Not the one that says Mama Sushi Bronx in parentheses.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Even though I feel like
We're
trying. We're coming up. Soon. Big things are walking. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston.
Dump.
My hands are gifted. I will surgically remove Trumpito's brainstem and replace it with a random Frito-Lay snack food. I've done this several times throughout his term. Heat check. I'm about to use some Fritos. Candy, get the strap and the scalpel. AKA, I'll be your medicine cabinet. You know what the fuck it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. You know what I'm saying? AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. AKA live from the parking lot at Food Bazaar. It's East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is fucking. Yeah, sing it. Dope sick love. Don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? I just want to take a moment to acknowledge that the New York Yankees are the best organization in the history of sports. And I'm going to continue with the AKAs.
There you go. Big things are going on.
Let me tell you something, mate. I know you've all been watching Top Boy get into the UK team, you know? But guess who's doing it first? The Bodega Boys, mate. From across the pond. The only 2 rock stars left, mate.
Only 2 left.
You know who it is. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Fact checking everything I see in Top Boy.
Come off it, mate.
Mate, let's stop.
Stop with my fees, bro.
Mate, that's a fib, mate.
I'm about to do some knife crime, but let's have some tea first. Where's my beans, mate?
Mate, where's my food, bruv?
Where's my food, bro?
I need my food, bruv.
Where's my food, bro? We ordered over 20 minutes ago.
That's right. AKA, I'm at my friend says I'm never gonna fail. AKA, chill at the crib off edibles, waiting for Kyrie and Kyrie in a Google Hangout. It's Barmelo's Anthony. I guess his internet went out. I don't know what's going on. If you see me at Target, approach me like a motherfucking earth sign mammal dog because I am higher than a Jamaican at a bashment at the top of a construction ladder about to jump down Pont Stacyon's poom poom. You know what I'm saying? So respect me because I might swipe your wig off with the bare paw. You know what I'm saying? Especially from my cubs. You dig? You know what I'm saying? Hey kids, it's me, Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's over. And I'm gonna need my money up front, you know? And I'm gonna take a break for a second and let my Mr. Fun pal take over for a second here. Just get all the kids in a room and close the door. Fun will handle the rest.
We're gonna play a little game called 7 Up. Put your finger up, right? Now, everyone, put your head down, close your eyes. Now, if you feel someone sucking on your thumb, that means you've got pricks.
No! Yo! I sold fake lead to his favorite SoundCloud rapper, dog. That motherfucker's high on some fucking oven cleaner I found in my garage. And fucking some expired Robitussin. And I just threw some old Jolly Ranchers in there for flavor as a garnish. You know what I'm saying? You're welcome. Now you're about to enjoy that album for a week before it falls off the charts.
Mr. Fun, something's on my tongue, but it's not your mouth.
And now I would kindly request the audience to turn on their SAP buttons or put on the headphones provided for you by Cash App in order to understand the following transmission.
Hold on, wait. Just want to make sure that we let everyone know how it sounds, just so we can test it properly.
Let's go. Let's test levels.
Mero is about to, do a little
levels.
little Spanish. So just want to make sure please turn your radio up.
My level's good. Oh shit. That's right. In surround sound. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que llegó el hit de FIFA, coño. Prende todo. Moca con el Mero que tiene su tabla. Bajando en pista nueva con la cartera llena. Bien montado. Yo no le paro nada. Ni a la policía, mamagüevo. Tu jeva me llama Santa Claus porque me meto por su chimenea. Llega el flow. Si tengo que decir que estoy pegado, te tengo que informar que la agua está mojada. Palomón, coño. Shout out a la casa Showtime. Shout out Cash App, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Hasan en serie que pone la nota siempre. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a la nena de la bodega, Daiana y Victoria que están aquí. Shout out Heaven, el cielo, la más bella, la más dura. Shout out Desus bueno, Justin detrás de la cámara. You know what I'm saying? Y Víctor Hugo que ando por ahí dando vueltas. You know what I'm saying? Y finalmente, secretario de Defensa activo a mi presidente Pío.
¡Activió!
Déjame saber que lo suelto, cañón, mi hermano. 1, 7, 3, dale, nos fuimos. Peace out, y'all. Episode 173, you motherfucker.
That's right. And remember, Desus and Mero return to Showtime October 14th. We'll be back.
Yeah.
Because we ain't back. We're probably just going to ride whatever new show came on Showtime.
Yeah, that's right. You know what I'm saying?
Hate to be him.
And guess what? That first episode is going to be a doozy, y'all.
It is.
Get ready.
I don't want to make false promises, but our first guest is Larry Sanders.
Yeah.
It's actually Barry Sanders.
Yeah. Barry and Bernie Sanders.
Barry and Bernie. We're going to
do the co-host game.
We do it, yeah. Which one of you two believes in universal health care? It's like, it's me.
I just want to say happy Rosh Hashanah, happy 5778, Lashana Tova, everybody.
Was that last week?
It continued.
How long is... We out.